wonderful to walk along the Seine and shop for things that have been here for 100 years. These little kiosks that have books and art. I love the old books. It's really amazing what you find. Hey, hon, what you got?
I'm thinking about getting a couple of these, which are these spectacular points in time representing fashion, the vogue of Paris and France.
And they're not too expensive, are they?
And you get 3 of these beautiful representations, again, of the fashion of the time periods. And I'm going to take these 3, s'il vous plaît. Merci. And I'm going to make a little purchase here along the Seine in Paris, because I'm a Highroads Traveler and I'm having the best time.
And after we're done shopping, I think we might have a little snack or glass of wine right out on the Seine. It's a beautiful day in October, a beautiful time to be here. I was out there this morning, lots of joggers. It is beautiful. Right along the Seine, Notre Dame is just that way, and as you walk, you're treated to lots of beautiful things. The Louvre, then the Tuileries, then Place de Concorde. All right, you got your purchase.
Got my purchase. These are my Euro. Great little shopping district. Lots of boutiques, fashion of all sorts, and some antiques as well. Let's take the stroll.
Bye-bye. From Paris, and when you're seeing the beautiful things, of course you want to come to Notre Dame. And if you're here now in October of 2024, you feel uplifted and hopeful, because the terrible fire that took place a couple of years ago is now being restored. And if you get here a few months from now, you'll see it perfect. Take a peek around and see the spirit of the French people as they gather here. They look upon the artists that are restoring it, and they sit in sort of a somber reverie and gaze upon one of the most beautiful, iconic structures of modern day. Did you know there was a statue of Thomas Jefferson right here in Paris, France? Well, there is. Right here in the 7th Arrondissement, there's a statue of Thomas Jefferson, who was our 3rd president. But also, did you know, Thomas Jefferson was the ambassador to France in 1785 to 1789 for 4 years. Before that, during the Revolution, he had enlisted France's help to be good friends, help us win the Revolution, independence in 1776. That ended in '83. Now we're a brand new country. What better ambassador to have than Thomas Jefferson? He later became president in 1801 for 2 full terms, and we were good friends with the French. So this statue is erected to him. It's right here on a passerelle that goes right over the Seine River. It's definitely worth coming to visit when you're in the 7th Arrondissement in Paris, France. Au revoir.
spending a fabulous night here in Paris. Of course, everywhere you go is fabulous, but this particular street has amazing cafes, restaurants, even a natural gelatos for after dinner, après dîner. And so we're going to stroll along. We're going to look for our favorite little spot, and we're going to have a little dinner and wine and vino.